The Autronica NKL-5 PCB card is a top-tier component for industrial applications, ensuring reliable equipment performance. The Autronica NKL-5 PCB card stands out for its high quality and reliability, making it indispensable for industrial use. With the part number 7211-681.0004 and model number 3392M1. The Autronica NKL-5 PCB card is synonymous with high quality and reliability, crucial for smooth industrial operations. As a pivotal component, it ensures equipment runs efficiently, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. The Autronica NKL-5 PCB card stands as a beacon of high quality and reliability in industrial settings. With the NKL-5, industries can achieve optimal performance and operational excellence, ensuring all systems run smoothly and effectively. The Autronica NKL-5 PCB card is distinguished by its part number 7211-681.0004 and model number 3392M1. Proper identification guarantees compatibility, reducing the risk of operational issues and enhancing system reliability. In industrial settings, the Autronica NKL-5 PCB card is identified by part number 7211-681.0004 and model number 3392M1. These numbers are vital for ensuring the component's compatibility with your systems. The Autronica NKL-5 PCB card stands out for its versatility in industrial applications. It plays a crucial role in maintaining operational efficiency across various settings. Whether in manufacturing, energy, or transportation, this PCB card ensures systems run smoothly and reliably. Its adaptability is key for businesses seeking to optimize performance and minimize downtime. Trust in the Autronica NKL-5 to meet your industrial needs with precision, ensuring peak operational efficiency. Thank you.